Africa Content TV.
People very dirty. It was like Eton, you know, where all the dirtiness was a very dirty place. So this shrine is one of the biggest, I can say the biggest Yeshu shrine in the world. And when the Alaafin invited me that we should preserve the heritage, the monuments, and the people, the heritage of the people. This place was among these places to be preserved. So KBC founded the Orisa, that association by the federal government, that it could donate the shrines. And after to register it for it to become World Heritage. So the shrine belongs to Oyo. Nobody can take the shrine. Orisa belongs to the president, which is the Alaafin. And we started to renovate this place. But before we start to renovate, it took us about 5 years to be able to renovate it. Number one, to take the people out here was a problem, very big problem. Yellow Jack is there. So after we were able that the people will get placed in the market, because the market, it burned, everything has burned in this market. It's only this shrine and the tree of Ajay is no burn. So after we registered by the government and everything burned, the state government want to build here a bank. But because we have registered it, they could not do a bank. We have preserved the biggest Eshu shrine in the world. That is Eshu Akeem, Alaafin, Oyo. Secondly, this is the monument, the heritage as a monument. This heritage, to be able to be an alive monument that is not dead, the Eshu priests are the owner to worship the place. And when I arrived, nobody wants to be Eshu because Eshu is a devil. It was a big problem. I went compound to compound to the Eshu families, and they said, we don't want to, because our children, where is today? Eshu today? Come. Eshu today was a small boy, the son of Baba Eshu. He said, hey, me, Eshu today, no. And the other families, where is Eshu Pupo? Eshu Pupo. The father for him was the ballet of Eshu in this shrine. Baba Eshu Damilaye, which Alaafin as title as the Jagu Eshu, was the only family that agreed to start the work of the Eshu of the family in this shrine. He has initiated all his children and all his grandchildren into Eshu, and is teaching them. Now, before that happened, I went to United Nations and I told them, look, we want to preserve the heritage of the people, and these people are discriminated, that they are devil. So the history is that Ajay Crowder, he has translated the Bible from English to Yoruba wrongly. Eshu is not Satan. Eshu is a is the identity of the people. Like Kabesi, the identity of him is Shango. So, and this Uru. To do the work according to UNESCO, that Oyo will be a role model to the world to preserve the identity of the people. Eshu is an Orisa. Their blood is their descendants' forefathers. Is Orisa, it's not devil. I went to United Nations and I told them what is the solution for this problem. Because UNESCO and United Nations, they follow human rights. So United Nations said that there is a convention from 1966 which every human being has the right to maintain his culture and go to the school. So under that convention, I went to the government and the late Alaafin wrote a document that all the children they need to go to the school. And that is how we started to bring the families of Eshu out and put all the children of Orisa into school. Because most of the children, when I arrived here, the Orisa children, they don't go to the school because Shango people give me one Shango child. Shango child, a man. Oh yeah? One Shango child. One only Shango. Only Shango. Or Owoade and other Orishas. They were the families in ghettos. They were not respected. They were not recognized. So, after that convention of United Nations from 1966, they start going to the school with the hair. They have the right not to cut the hair. And with one bit for not losing their identity. I went to all the schools in Oyo. All the children today for Orisa go to the school. Olobatala, Oloshu, Shango, Eshu, all of them. So I'm just explaining that all the work we are doing is not
It's not impersonation. You are not impersonating.
You are not impersonating. I'm sorry, English is not my mother tongue. I'm a Portuguese, so I can do these things.
Yeah.
So, if somebody worship in this shrine, it should be Eshu people. They are the ones who know about Eshu. Only Shango, they don't know about Eshu. Owoade is not an Eshu. It is the Eshu people that have to worship in this shrine because we are working for it to become World Heritage. Thank you very much, Agnes.
Ẹ ṣé gidi gan ni mo kí lára àwọn olùdásílẹ̀ àṣà òrìṣà yìí gbajúgbàmọ̀ tí a ń pè ní Paula Gomez. Ṣé gidi gan, thank you very much. mo kí balógun olórìṣà, bàbá wa Adéjàre, mo kí àwọn títí oníṣàngó tó wà níjókòó yìí náà, mo kí ìyálọ́jà títí ìlú Ọ̀yọ́, mo kí ìjókòó yẹ wá sí, mo kí àwọn ọlọ́mọba náà wọ́n wà níjókòó yìí, látòrí mọ́gàjì Owoade, ìwúrà Bátẹ́sí, Dr. Kọ́ládé, ti àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ kábíyèsí láti iléèwé gbogbo ìṣe polytechnic Ìbàdàn tí a jọ lọ léèwé, àti àwọn olùdarí gbogbo ètò fún coronation yìí, wọ́n jẹ́ kí coronation yìí ṣeéṣe, Dr. Abimbola, kábíyèsí náà wà ní ìjókòó òkè gidi gan ni. Lára àwọn nǹkan tí mo rí, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Paula Gomez fún gbogbo akitiyan láti rí pé ìjókòó yìí ó ṣeé ṣe, pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó jẹ́ ìmúṣẹ. Ọlọ́run mọ̀ tẹ̀yìn síwájú o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin akọrin ti àṣà òrìṣà náà, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, mo gbádùn orin yín. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá láti ìlú Ṣakí, gbogbo yín pátápátá tẹ́ wà níjókòó náà, gbogbo yín ni mo kí pátápátá, àti gbogbo àwa ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ náà. A wà níbí ní ọjọ́ ìní, àbí ṣé ẹ rí bí ayẹyẹ ìwúyè náà tá a ṣe ní ọjọ́ Sátọ̀dé, ẹ rí bó ṣe yẹ wá sí ni, ó yẹ wá gidi gan ni. Gbogbo àwọn lọ́balọ́ba náà ni wọ́n ti ń pè mí, wọ́n dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ilé ìyàtọ̀. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, pẹ̀lú gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá náà, dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan ni. Gbogbo ipa tí ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan wá kó lórí pé kí ayẹyẹ yìí ó ṣeé ṣe, dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan ni. Ọlọ́run mọ̀ pa ilé àti ọ̀nà yín mọ́ o. Èṣù má ṣe mí, ọmọ ẹlòmíì ni ó ṣe o. Gbogbo ọ̀tá wa, ọ̀tá ọba Abimbola Akeem Owoade, ó ní kí gbogbo àwọn tó ní ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ yìí kó mọ́ tùbà kó mọ́ tùṣẹ́. Èṣù láàlú, onílé oríta, wọn fẹ́ jẹ́ wọn mú ní o. Àwọn tó bá ní kí ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ yìí má ní lọ síwájú, ṣe wọ́n bọ́ṣẹ́ sí ṣojú ni o. Kí wọ́n mọ̀ rí bá ti ṣe kọ́ mọ̀ lọ́nà tó kàn. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. Ìgbà ilé yín ò ní fọ́, àwọn olé yín ò ní pẹ̀tẹ́, ẹ mọ̀ lọ́rẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ bọ̀rẹ́ ni. Èyí táwa jọ péjọ lénìí, mo mọ̀ pé láṣẹ Èdùmàrè, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ ṣe 1 year anniversary, 2 years anniversary, àjọmọ̀ ṣe náà ni láṣẹ báyìí láwọn rí ànírí báyìí. Dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidi gan ni. Ẹ kú ìfẹ́ o, mo dúpẹ́ gan.
mo súnmọ́ pa níwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀je mo jìnà sọ́pa níwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀fà ilé àwọn ọkú kí ikú ọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ fún ọmọ ọmọ òfò ọmọ àkọ́bálẹ̀ ọmọ àtìmọ́ òde Owóadé ọba dúpẹ́ tó róye bàbá rẹ̀ jẹ́ èyí lọ kékeré tó ṣe lọ́wọ́ àwọn òní ikú kékeré ìfilé rẹ̀ sọ̀dẹ̀ ìfilé rẹ̀ sọ̀dẹ̀ nínú wọn ni àwọn olè alára ẹ̀dá lọ́sẹ̀ kan làwọn ògbèjì ẹ bá ṣe ọba tó ikú bàbá Yeye aláṣẹ ìkejì Orisa Owóadé ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ dùnmọ̀rẹ́ orí ìjọba pàtẹ́lẹ̀ nítorí olórí gẹ́gẹ́ fọ́pọ̀ parẹ́ fọ́pọ̀ ní ìjọ parẹ́ láéláé yóò ṣẹ̀kọ̀ṣẹ̀ ìdájọ́ aláwọ̀ àbí kọ́dá fún kọ́mọ́ ìyàwó ní èrè wèrè ọ̀dá tọ́lọ́run mọ́ ẹ̀sà fọ́pọ̀ gbogbo àjọmọ́ tá a bá bí ìjẹsẹ̀sẹ̀ nílẹ̀ òbí tẹ́nìbọ̀lá ọmọ lẹ́nìkẹ́rẹ́ ojú òní ìhàn ti òkú